Hi everyone, this is Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and I'm going to do a Roman Oracle bird reading about the UK and the USA in regards to the war on Iran. So I'm just moving the cards around the board. The first card's already flipped over, and it's on the side of the UK, which is the right side, and the left side will be the USA. The first card that's flipped over is the swallows. The swallows typically means a lot of talking, a lot of media, a lot of tweeting, lots of different people's opinions. Now, if we notice, the swallows are flying towards the right, which means that they want to fly away from the USA. So UK, lots of talking and information, but they are flying away from the USA in the direction of the right. Looks like the people want to do the right thing. The next card for the UK is the peace dove. And the peace dove is looking towards the left. This to me indicates that the UK people want peace. They don't want war. But because the peace dove is facing left, it looks like they have to deal with negative issues. Left, typically in Roman bird divination, is more negative than facing right. So now we move over to the left side of the board, which represents the USA, and we have the vulture. So typically the vulture is the card of death, decay. So this is not a good sign for the USA. It looks like Donald Trump has chosen to bring death and destruction to the situation at hand. As we can see, the swallows of the UK are flying away from the vulture. They do not want any part of it. Now, the last bird for the USA side is the stork. Now, the stork can typically mean something new, like a new beginning, but it also represents changeability. Storks migrate backwards and forwards from place to place. So the stork often could be someone who changes their mind a lot, or there are a lot of changes yet to play out. Doesn't look like the USA is going to be stable or grounded in this situation. Something I noticed in this reading is that there's no unity cards between the UK and the USA. There was no swans of partnership, and there was no pigeons of partnership. There was also no eagle of power either. So it looks like the UK and the USA are on very different directions, projections. This is Debono of the Fortune Teller Shop, and this is the Roman Bird Oracle by Debono.